I've got a big, beautiful black walnut crotch log here on the mill today. It's a beautiful 60 degrees here in Georgia. And so let's cut this sucker open and see what's inside. This crotch is about 31 inches at the widest, which is just shy of the max of this machine. And I've been saving this log for a while, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. All right, I got this black walnut log opened up, so let's do a little grain pop on it. Some beautiful stuff. Gotta love black walnut.